What do you think about when you're having sex?
I wonder if there's any almond milk left for breakfast. I wonder if my face is doing that weird red splotchy thing.
But do you ever think, how long should this be going on for? Is this normal? Or if you're a scientist, you might ask this question: what is the mean intravaginal ejaculation latency time? But however you ask the question, everyone wants to know the answer. How long is normal? It's a good question, and one that's hard to know an accurate answer to. That's because it's actually really difficult to measure the length of time sexual intercourse goes for. If scientists rely on self-reporting, that presents a few problems. The first is that people very rarely time their lovemaking sessions. And the second is that if they had to guess, people are always biased upwards in their time estimates. So what research is out there? In a study conducted in 1948 by the godfather of sexy time research, Alfred Kinsey. Wait, that's not Alfred Kinsey. This is. His study found that 75% of men orgasmed within 2 minutes of beginning sex.
2 minutes?
However, more recent studies have been done, and the best research we have, which was published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine in 2005, focused on the average time to ejaculation using 500 couples. The lovebirds timed themselves having sex over a 4-week period using, yep, you guessed it, a good old-fashioned stopwatch. Participants pressed start at penile penetration and stop at ejaculation.
Ew.
Awkward, huh? And while this sex tracking may have distracted their flow a little, it wasn't enough to significantly impact on results. They were couples, remember. This wasn't a random hooker. So anyway, what did the researchers find? Well, they found that the average time spent in the act of physical love is, drumroll please, 5.4 minutes. But the most striking result is that there was a huge amount of variation. The average time for each couple, that is, averaged across all the time they had sex, ranged from 33 seconds, yes, seconds, to 44 minutes. Now that's an 80-fold difference. Now I should note that that 5.4 minutes is the median average and not an expectation. So really you shouldn't be worrying yourself about whether you're having sex for the normal amount of time or not, because there's no one normal amount of time to have sex. So whether it takes a few seconds or a few hours, remember that sex is not a calculated thing, and I, Jayde Lovell, say it should go for however long you and the person you're doing it with want it to. But what do you guys think? What's your average time? Care to share? Or if you aren't that brave, have you ever ended a relationship because of incompatible ending time? Let us know in the comments below. Hi everyone, I'm Jayde Lovell, resident science nerd on the Young Turks Network. You're watching SciQ, and we know you don't want to miss an episode, so please click the subscribe button down below.